Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I again take this opportunity to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Still, my name is Odongo Fred, a student of Gulu University. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to handle another aspect altogether, and we are going to look at what is called Google Maps. In our previous discussion, we looked at Google Translate. Let's look at Google Maps. Now, with Google Maps, of course, if you are going to make that, of course, you will come to the Google Apps. You will come to the Google Apps. Then you click on that. Of course, we are going to have many of them, like we have YouTube, search, all these other ones, but our focus, is on Maps. So we shall click on that. Then we have the Google Maps. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the first place, Google Maps, of course, this is just a web mapping service developed by Google that provides detailed information about geographical regions, locations, and routes. Of course, it is just like a digital map that helps you explore and navigate the world. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with Google Maps, of course, you can use it if you want to. You can use it if you want to search like for places. You can also use it if you want to search for directions, either by car, foot, bike, public transport. You can also use it if you want to view, of course, maps like satellite images, street maps, and the rest. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the use of Google Maps, of course, we need to understand that you must, of course, before that, with Google Maps, it deals with access or movement to places. That is basically what it's all about. Now, in using that, of course, you must have what is called email account, where your email account will be registered or should be registered by the Google. Have email account registered by Google. That is what is important there. Now, for example, ladies and gentlemen, I may want, of course, to move like from one place to another. So in this case, what is important that you need to have in mind, of course, you must have your starting point. You must have your starting point, then you must also have the destination. Like for the purpose of illustration here in my computer, my PC, of course, I've chosen that maybe I want to move like to Lira Central Police Station. So I want to start my destination. I want to have my starting point as Odakomit Police Station, which is located in Juba Road, of course, located at Juba Road. So my starting point is going to be Odakomit. Then my destination will be Lira Central Police Station. Destination will be Lira Central Police Station. Then my starting point will be Odakomit. Now, as you can see here, members, ladies and gentlemen, of course, it is important that I also need to show how I'm moving, the means of transport that I'm using, whether I'm using a car, maybe I'm using a bike, I'm riding, maybe I'm even footing. So I need to show the one I'm using. So you will have to come and click on the one you're using. Like for my case, I've clicked this one showing that I was driving. I've clicked on that showing that I was driving. So from here you can see that now it is just very clear, because here already I have Kamdeni Lira Road, the Juba Road. So of course I will now come and click on that. Then it will now show leave now, meaning the journey has started. Of course, as I start the journey, okay, even not only like the motorcycle, I may also be riding, so I can also come and click on that. Like for my case, I can again click on that. Then I come and do the same. I click on leave now. Just like you can do just for any means that you're using. Even someone who is footing, you can still come and click on it. Then follow the prompts, follow the same procedure. There you have the journey started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, there's another thing that is also important. I may want to save, because next time I want to go to the same place. So what is important, I will come to save, then I click on it, and when I come to it, I click on it, and give it a name, just any name that I can give. So like here I can give like this name I've just written as move. Yeah, of course I can remember that. So I can have it saved. So if you want direction, you can just click on it. You choose the point that you want to start from, like here about saving. You find that it is already saved. Next time I want to move, I will not find difficulty. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. All in all, that is what is meant by Google Maps, and that is exactly what you do. I thank you so much for following me, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can learn and discuss, share ideas together for a better move. Thank you so much. Have a good day.